First, let's draw our elephant's eye. Draw a small circle, then add a short line inside it. Now let's draw the eyebrow. Next, shape the head and the long trunk. Take your time and move slowly. Now let's draw the mouth. Add a few short lines to give the trunk some depth. Then draw the lower outline. Add 2 little hairs on top of its head. Curve the line gently toward the back. Now draw the large ear. Shape the inside of the ear too. Nice work! Now let's draw the lower body. Draw the front leg. Add 2 small toenails. Complete the leg by drawing upward. Draw the second front leg beside it. Add 2 more small toenails. Complete the leg by drawing upward. Now draw the belly. Draw one of the back legs. Add the toenails. Extend the line upward. Draw the last back leg. We're drawing our elephant walking. Continue the back line all the way to the tail. Once we finish the tail, the main outline is complete. Our pencil sketch is complete. Now trace the lines and get ready to color. Time to color. Choose a colored marker and check its tip. Our marker is ready. It has a brush tip. The wide tip makes large areas easier to color. Move the markers for a moment, then arrange them neatly. Let's keep our art supplies on the table for drawing and coloring. The markers are ready. Now line them up along the side. Our elephant is ready to color. Divide the elephant into 3 sections to add different patterns. Yes, just like that. Pick up the black marker. A thick tip works well. Mark out the 3 sections. First section. Second section. All 3 sections are ready. That looks good. Let's start coloring. Our cute elephant is ready to be colored. Ready? Let's start coloring. With help from a grown-up, get your paper and markers ready. Ready, let's begin. While I color, try to guess which color it is. What color is this? Take a moment to think. Yes, it's blue. Now add colorful dots and small patterns to this section. Let's add some patterns together. The dots look great. You can choose your own patterns too. Now move to the second section and color the ear. This color will look great on the ear. Can you guess the color? Yes, that's right. Now color the middle section of our elephant. Did you guess this color? It's pink. Now we can add small patterns to this section. Choose any shape and color you like. This section is finished too. Pink looks great here. Now move to the front section. Color the belly and feet with this color too. It's orange. Now move to the back section. Which color should we choose? Color the back leg purple. Now color the back section. Can you guess this color too? This color is yellow. Now add lines from top to bottom. The lines look great. We used yellow in this section. We forgot to color the toenails. We drew our elephant and made it colorful. Our cute elephant is finished. We used lines, colors, and patterns. Choose your own colors to design a different elephant. Goodbye.